Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good whatsoever you'll be watching this video, like the time frame you'll be in. Yeah, we are here to teach ourselves about removing background from our images. Why would you remove a background from the image? For example, if you want to use it as a product, then you want custom colors in the background to match your product. So we are going to do that. One, you find your favorite browser. I'll be using Chrome. You can choose to use Mozilla Firefox, you can choose to use Opera Mini, any other browser that you have on your laptop or computer or device. Yeah, then you come here to your search engine, you say background remover, and you'll have this bg, remove.bg. Or if you don't want to go into all that, you just come into your browser, put remove.bg, press enter, then this first site that will come, the remove.bg. Select that site. Then there are two ways to upload our image, of which we are going to remove the background. One is you can choose to do an upload, then you select from your images, or method two, you can choose to, these are the images I was working on before, you can choose to just drag something there. Maybe we want some profile pic, I'll choose this still, you drag it there, you see it is draggable. When you drag it there, to work on it, you give it a few seconds process. These seconds or the time it takes will depend on your internet speed and to the size of the image. The image might be heavier, so it normally takes around seconds to a minute. So if it exceeds that, then there is some issue somewhere. So we have already removed the background, as easy as that. You can choose to download it at that point. When you press download, it will bring and you save it where you want to. Yeah, we shall save it as anything 123.png. PNG pictures already don't have backgrounds. Or if you want some background in, for example, if it was a product and you want some custom color in it, you can bring your product, then keep choosing background color, backgrounds around to see which background fits most. Or I can just choose to use a color. You come to colors, then you choose which color you want into your product. You see those colors, there are different colors that you would choose. Yeah, most times I use this. It is not white and it is not that gray. I want it to sound like, yeah, most times I use that. So if it was a product, it will be having a good background. Then you download, and you download it, and we call it 321. Yeah, that's it. Go to your browser, drag the image there, then you can choose to download it there and then, or you can choose to edit through using this editing tool. Let's go to downloads and see whether we have them there. Yeah, they are here. Beautiful. It doesn't lose its pixels, it is clean. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Hope it helps you out. You can recommend to any other person that is having issues with this. Bye bye.